All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our AI learning agent project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, it's going to be a bittersweet video today because unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you everything that the agent can do right now because while in the process of updating and upgrading everything, I had to run multiple test searches, which did overstep my quota for the month. So I'm actually tapped out for the rest of the month on the tier that I'm using my actual application on. So it's either I can upgrade the application now and start using it again, or just wait until the month is done and get a free or a fresh set of quotas. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna get and wait the 7 to 8 days, and then that time I'm gonna be going over the cryptocurrency application that we're building. So yeah, with that being said, I can at least show you that we were able to implement a time aspect to our agent. So let's get and ask what time is it, and it should be able to give us the correct time and location. As you can see, current local time for my location. This is the date, and this is the time here, Army time, of course. And yeah, and it's a Mountain Standard Time. So as you can see, everything is working. Well, you can't see that everything is working because I'm not gonna maybe run anything else for you without it crashing. But yeah, so far this is as far as I'm able to go to show you right now. But we did implement all of this new stuff here. I'll leave it up so you can read over it and see exactly what I have. But as soon as I'm able to run my application again, I will be able to show you exactly what we're able to do. Like I said, it's a lot stronger, a lot more robust, and it's a lot more capable. But in the meantime, I will be running my cryptocurrency application, and we're going to be working on that for the next few days. Maybe that's a good thing. We can actually focus on that and actually building in our Unreal Engine project. But for now, that's all we have. So like you see, at least you can see we implemented the time aspect. So everything else did fall into place, and I can't wait to show you guys what's going on. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.